The Island team proudly presents 42 White Marsh Lane, a stunning home on a canal-front double lot in the Gulf community of Rotonda West, Florida. This beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 3-car garage home has been extensively remodeled. You'll feel like you're moving into a brand new home from the moment you walk up the path to the landscaped front porch. Step inside the welcoming living room with its soaring vaulted ceiling, neutral decor, and wood-look tile floors. Light floods in from the large windows and from the sliding glass doors leading to the spacious lanai and pool area. Welcome guests in the formal dining area, awash in natural light from the arched window and glass front door. The impressive kitchen is a chef's dream, with stainless steel KitchenAid appliances, all under warranty, premium cabinets, and luxurious Quartzite countertops. There's also a breakfast bar for grabbing a quick snack or enjoying your morning coffee. Adjacent to the kitchen is a breakfast nook for family meals overlooking the lanai and pool. The kitchen flows seamlessly into the spacious family room, also featuring a vaulted ceiling and fan. Indoor-outdoor entertaining is easy from here, with a dry bar close at hand, as well as the pocketing sliders out to the pool area. Ready to relax at the end of the day? Enter through double doors into the generous master suite with sliders leading out to the pool area. The master bedroom also includes a large walk-in closet, linen closet, and the most impressive master bath, featuring dual vanity sinks and an enormous walk-in shower. You'll appreciate the split bedroom floor plan, providing maximum privacy for family and guests. The other side of the home features 2 more spacious bedrooms and a beautifully remodeled guest bath. Enjoy the convenience of a large indoor laundry room with LG washer and dryer, also under warranty, plus overhead cabinets for extra storage. This home was made for taking advantage of our gorgeous Southwest Florida climate. You can dine al fresco on the covered, shaded part of the screened lanai, or lounge poolside, working on your tan year-round. Float the day away in the sparkling private pool, surrounded by lush landscaping and overlooking the peaceful canal. Or play a round of golf at one of Rotonda West's 5 gorgeous golf courses, all just minutes away. This home truly has everything you need to live the Florida lifestyle you've been dreaming of. Plus, it's close to all the things that make living in Southwest Florida great: golf, fishing, beaches, boating, shopping, and of course, our famous Gulf of Mexico sunsets. So don't wait. Call the Island team today to schedule your private showing.